Oh baby, the spot I want, nobody's here. Sometimes the stars really do align. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? Silence. Silence, birds, wildlife, and absolute silence. My GoPro decided to stop working, so I'm going to mess with that and try and get to work. But until then, we'll be using my cell phone and my camera. So quality is going to fluctuate, be all over the place. Color grading is going to be messed up, but it's the way she goes. We'll be out here for 2 nights, I think. 2 nights. Dusty road, but we made it. Real dusty. Yeah. All right. First we fish before we do anything else. And then I forgot the paddle. Kinda need the paddle. I'd forget everything. It is, well, it's really hot. I just had some chips because I was going to cook something, but it's too hot to cook anything right now. And now I'm going to dive into a book that I brought called Terry Brooks. It's by Terry Brooks, The Dark Legacy of Shannara, Wards of Fairy. No idea if it's good, but Terry Brooks is supposed to be good, so I'm going to read this book with this amazing view out here and see what I get up to after that. I put my book down for a second and look up, and what do I see? A couple of loons cruising around, looking for some food. I love the sound loons make. Alright, back on the lake again. Let's see if we can come up with something. It's pretty hot right now, middle of the day, so probably have better luck this evening. But I figured take a few casts, see what happens. Bit of a wind now too, which is kind of nice. It cools me off a bit, even though it pushes me down the lake a bit too, but at least it cools me off a bit. Helps my casts go further too. Clunk. It's funny how much a little wind pushes you in a kayak. Come on, guys. Don't litter. Don't put your cans in the water. It's just not the place to put your empty cans, so we'll pick it up. We'll dispose of it. I think it's just too hot. So we're gonna head back to the truck, maybe do a little reading, maybe take out what we figure we're gonna make for dinner. I haven't decided on steak and potatoes tonight or mushroom chicken Alfredo. I haven't decided, but I do have to take out either the chicken or the steak or it won't be unthawed. So I'm gonna head back and get that underway. I'm probably not gonna catch anything. It's way too hot right now. Fish are down deep, lethargic, not doing shit. Probably fish a little bit before bed tonight, and then I'm gonna get up super freaking early in the morning and do a fish early in the morning. We got some weeds that time. Fucking bonus. Bonus. I forgot I had to take look at this little steak. It's like the littlest thing ever. But it's round, and I think it has bacon around it. I don't know. I'm gonna cook it for dinner. But I'm gonna have a little drinky poo. Camping time. And for a little drinky poo. It is 36, or in freedom units, 98.2 in freedom units. And my cast iron pan. I don't know if I brought a potato peeler, but you know what? Because who cares? Who cares about having a little potato peel in your potatoes? Dun, dun. I got pepper, a Montreal steak spice, slap your mama, and salt. Put this butter away for now. It's just melting like crazy out here. Oh, they're getting there. I tried a pretty fat one and it was pretty almost there. You need more salt. And throw on some more pepper. They're pretty much done though. I think I'm good to chuck my steak on. Yeah, you gotta get a good sear. You gotta get a good sear. It's important. I need to get the potatoes out. They're cooked. All right, now we're gonna let that baby rest. The potatoes are good. Hey, I saw a little fish jump. Tried to get a dragonfly and he missed terribly. All right. First bite of the steak. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Look at that. Cooked exactly how I want it. Oh. Oh. So tender. Literally melts in your mouth. That was good. So, just gonna quickly show you, this is my bed for the night. You don't have to have lots of money to go camping. Piece of foam that I cut at home, sleeping bag, folded down back seat, and look at this. I got a little setup to watch a little movie on before I go to bed. I'm all tucked in, little TV before bed. All right, I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. Made it through the night. Got down to about 5 degrees in here, which is kind of cold, but I wasn't cold. Good sleeping bag. Learned a few things though. Need some window coverings because you get woke up at 5 in the morning when the sun comes out. Also, this foamy, no good. It's too soft and you just sink. Like, it feels like I'm just laying on the couch or on the seat right now, but that's right. But I should get up, get motivated here. Maybe make some oatmeal. But yeah, got a good view in the morning. Holy moly. What a beautiful morning. Look at that lake, it's like glass. But I'm pretty hungry, so I think I'm going to make some oatmeal, clean out my pot so I can boil some water, and then I'm going to eat some oatmeal. Two packs because I'm a growing boy. Yes, this is instant oatmeal. Water is boiling, big times. Gotta be careful, I don't like it too runny, but I also don't like it drier than shit, so a little bit more. Looks good to me. Bon appetit. Hits the spot. Just gonna take a few morning casts. I don't know if I want to go out in the kayak right now. So I'll probably just do some casts from shore. Then in a little bit here, I'm gonna start packing up, I think. It is just so, like, I'm already burning. It's just so hot out here. That oatmeal was good though. That hit the spot. And the fishing's not good when it's this hot. Not for the kind of fishing I do anyway. You need like a boat and to go really, really deep, because when the water is warm and it's super hot out like this, the fish, they stay really deep at the bottom. So just casting and reeling in or out along the top isn't the best. Well, I'm almost packed up. Getting everything loaded in there. And I just gotta load my kayak. And just loading the Starlink. And then I'm gonna mosey my way down this super dusty road. And I'll check in later when we get down there, maybe see how things are going. All right, we made it. We're on pavement now. Short little drive back home. Thank you guys for watching. That road, holy man, was it dusty on the way down. Like, every time a vehicle passes you, you basically have to stop. Like, it's actually insane. But I had a super fun time. I hope you guys had a fun time watching. It was a little ridiculously hot, so the fishing was junk again. One of these times I'm gonna nail a few when we go out, I swear it, I promise. But anyway, comment "that's hot" if you made it to the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.